Legal, technological, accounting, and political environments. Introduction. In the global business landscape, organizations are not only influenced by internal capabilities but also significantly shaped by external environment factors. Among the most critical external variables that multinational corporations must consider when operating across borders are the legal, technological, accounting, and political environments. These elements form the institutional framework within which international business activities take place, and they can either facilitate or hinder strategic initiative, operational efficiency, and sustainable growth. Understanding and adapting to this environmental dimension is essential for companies seeking to expand or maintain a global presence. Firms that fail to appreciate that nuances of origin institutional environments might face compliance issues, reputational damage, financial misreporting, or if or often political hostility. Therefore, a comprehensive analysis of these four environments provides a crucial foundation for effective international management risks and mitigation. 1. Legal environment. The legal environment encompass the rules, regulations, and legal system that governs business practices within a particular country. These laws may affect foreign different investment, FDI, interact enforcement, intellectual property rights, taxation, employment regulation, and dispute resolution. Differences difference in legal system. Countries operate under varying legal frameworks such as common law, civil law, Islamic law, and customary law, which affect how contracts are written, enforced, and interpreted. Regulatory compliance. Companies must adhere to local regulation regarding product safety, environment standards, labor practices, and competition laws. Non-compliance can result in legal sanction, fines, or operational shutdowns. Intellectual property protection. The strength of IP laws and their enforcement vary significantly between countries. Weak IP protection can discourage innovation and expose companies to imitation and counterfeit risks. Dispute resolution mechanism. Firms operating internationally must understand arbitrage, arbitration laws and mechanisms for resolving cross-border legal disputes. Understanding the legal environment helps companies navigate operational risks, draft enforceable contracts, and build trust with local stakeholders. And the next two, technological environment. The technological environment refers to the level of technological advancement, infrastructure, innovation capacity, and digital ecosystem present in a country or region. It directly affects the way business produce goods, deliver service, communicate with customers, and compete in a global market. Technology infrastructure. Availability of high-speed internet, digital pay systems, smart logistics, and AI-enabled Tools can enhance operational efficiency and customer experience. Innovation climate. Nations that prioritize research and development or R&D fosters tech startups and support innovation ecosystem over fertile ground for high-tech investment. Technology transfer and adoption. Firms expanding internationally often transfer technologies to local subsidiaries to subsidiaries or partners. The ability to adapt these technologies to local contexts is critical to success. Cybersecurity and data protection. As digital transformation accelerates, firms must also manage risks related to data privacy laws, cybersecurity threats, and cross-border data transfer. The technological environment not only determines operational capability but also influences strategic positioning, market entry modes, and digital competitive. Next, 3. Accounting environment. The accounting environment pertains to the principles, standards, and regulatory framework that guide financial reporting disclosure in different countries. Inconsistent accounting system can create significant challenges for multinational firms. Accounting standards. While many countries have adopted International Financial Reporting Standards (IFRS), others others such as the United States still use their own systems like generally accepted accounting principles or GAAP. This creates a complexity in consolidating financial statements. Transparency and disclosure. The degree of financial transparency required varies by jurisdiction, affecting the ability of investor and manager to assess business performance. Taxation and reporting. Tax codes differ widely across countries, influencing how revenue, costs, and profits are recognized and taxed. Core audit requirements. The record and independence of audit system differ globally, impacting the credibility of financial reports. Multinational firms must align their accounting practices with host country regulations while ensuring consistency in global reporting to meet stakeholders' expectations. 4. Political environment. The political environment includes the stability, policies, governance quality, and diplomatic relations of a host country. It is one of the most influential and unpredictable external factors in international business. Political stability and risk. Unstable governance, civil unrest, or frequent policy change pose risks to investment and operation. Political risk assessment are essential before market entry. Governance, policies, and ideologies. Policies on trade liberalization, privatization, foreign ownership, labor laws, and subsidies can either incentivize or delay foreign business. Bureaucracy, 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 and corruption. High levels of bureaucracy and corruption can increase transaction costs, create uncertainty, and harm a company's reputation. Nationalism and protectionism. Rising economic nationalism or protectionist measures may result in trade barriers, barriers, restriction on foreign ownership, or localization requirements. International relations. Diplomatic peace between the home and host countries can affect business operations, especially in industries subject to sanctions or export controls. Companies must constantly monitor the political climate and building strong relationships with government agencies to navigate regulatory change and political expectations. Conclusion. In the realm of international business, success is not solely determined by internal strength but also by the ability to understand and adapt to the multifaceted external environment. The legal, technological, accounting, and political environment collectively form the operational landscape from global firms. Each element requires specialized knowledge, strategic foresight, and flexibility to ensure compliance, efficiency, and resilience. Business that proactively analyze and align with these environments are better positioned to achieve sustainable growth, build international legitimacy, and outperform competitors in complex global markets.